Hi, we're Marissa and Nick. Back in 2014, we started traveling part-time together and haven't looked back. When we're not filming music videos or documenting wedding days, you can find us on adventures across the globe.
Woo! Did you have an attack?
I don't know.
Oh!
Exploring new places, attending all of the music festivals, and documenting love stories around the world is what we do. Why keep that a secret? Welcome to I Just Want to Travel. Hi guys!
What up?
Welcome back to another concert vlog. It is December 30th and we are in Worcester. We're about to go to the Palladium because we're going to see Unearth and Killswitch play their holiday show.
Yep.
That's why I'm wearing this. Guys, watch this. Let me find the little...
Oh boy.
I gotta
Turn it
find
on. There's a light show.
Just gonna leave that off until I get there though because it's a little embarrassing. How do I turn it off?
Well, you just made it go crazy.
Yeah, I'm really excited. If you're new here, we do concert, festival vlogs. We also do travel and Disney. Today is the concert one. I'm really excited. Killswitch is my favorite.
And it's cold, but it's gonna be hot in there.
Actually, no, do not even say it's cold. It's like almost 60 degrees right now in December, so.
And it's just windy, and we're at the top of the parking lot.
We do not have to wear a jacket. That is a plus for a winter show.
And people are already in, doors have already happened, so I don't think we'll have to wait in the cold.
Our friends John and Hillary are meeting us here too, so I'm really excited. Let's go see Killswitch and Unearth. the car. That was a good show. I didn't see any of Unearth because my level is like everyone's backs, but you saw some of it. It was pretty good. Sorry, we're in the car. The GPS needs to tell us where to go. Killswitch was awesome. I loved the snow. I loved the snowball fight. Songs were good. I could see there was only just one little crazy lady in front of me, but hey, it's a show. It was good. Did you have fun?
I had a lot of fun. That was a good ending to the year. Yeah, December 30th. So that will be the last show we go to. Okay, anyways, that was great. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. And I guess we'll see you in another concert vlog next year.